Hey kids, and welcome back to another Code of Gautam video. In this video, we are going to be learning more about Scratch. This is the part 2 of the series I started yesterday. If you haven't watched part 1, be sure to watch it. I'll put the link in the description. In the last video, we learned how to move the cat, and we learned how to turn the cat, and we also learned how to make the cat say stuff. If you want to learn more about Scratch, keep watching, because in this video, we're going to be learning how you can make the cat play sounds, and we're going to learn how you can add more characters or sprites so that you can make multiple characters do stuff. So let's dive in. Let's create a new project by going to the Scratch website and clicking Create. I already have mine open. Now, let's first learn how to create new characters or sprites. To do that, we can click on the Choose a Sprite button over here. It will allow you to choose from one of a lot of characters that Scratch already has, or it will allow you to create your own. Let's choose one that Scratch already has by clicking on this Choose a Sprite button. And as you can see here, you can choose from any of these characters. I'm going to add this apple. Now, as you can see here, there is a cat, and now we also have an apple. Now, if we want to make the apple move, we can select the apple by clicking over here. Now, it will go into the apple's code. And now you can make it move 10 steps by doing that. Then we always have to add the one flagged click event. Then whenever we press this flag, the apple will move 10 steps. Now, if we also want the cat to move 10 steps, we can go to the cat, then we can get the event block, and then we can get the move 10 steps block. Now, they will both move 10 steps. Now, if we want to customize anything, we can always change it to whatever we want. Now it will look like the cat is chasing the apple. If we want to move the sprites, we can just click and drag these wherever we want. Now, if we want the cat to play a sound, we can click on the Sounds tab, and then we can add a sound by clicking on the Add a Sound block, Add a Sound button. Here is a lot of predefined sounds that Scratch already has. Say if we want this guitar, we can click on it, and then it will be added. Now, we can make the apple play a sound by going to the Sounds tab, which is pink, then then adding the block Play Sound Chomp until done. If we want the guitar, we can click on the Chomp field, then we can select the guitar. Like that. If you want the cat to play, if you want the cat to play a sound, we can go to the cat. We can get a different sound for the cat. Let's get this bass sound. Then we can add the sound by going to the sound block and then adding it. Like that. Now, we can make this do all sorts of cool things by, let's say we want to add another sprite. We can add this guy. And this guy can keep turning every time we click on the flag. So we want him to turn this way, like that. Now, let's remove these move steps block so they all just stay there, like this. So now, this is just a bonus, but if you guys want to change the background, you can actually click on this icon here, and here you can also upload and paint a new background, but I'm going to choose one from the built-in backgrounds. Let's add this dessert. Now the background will change to a dessert. So kids, that's the end of this video. If you liked it, make sure to like and subscribe to the video. And if you want more Scratch tutorials for kids, comment down below and I'll upload a part 3 to this. And if you have any questions about Scratch, leave a comment down below and I'll see you in the next video. And goodbye.